Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the top 5 data science skills you need in 2023. Data science is a rapidly growing field, and there's a high demand for skilled data scientists. If you're interested in a career in data science, there are a few key skills that you need to have. In this video, I'll discuss the top 5 data science skills that you need in 2023, and I'll provide tips on how to develop these skills. So let's start. 1. Data analysis. Data analysis is the process of collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data to extract meaningful insights. I use data analysis to solve real-world problems such as predicting customer churn, optimizing marketing campaigns, and improving product development. Try popular tools for data analysis include Python, RSchool, and Excel. You should go over these topics such as statistics, probability, and machine learning are essential topics for data analysis. I'd like to offer you some advice. Start by learning the basics of data analysis, such as data collection, data cleaning, and data visualization. Practice analyzing data using different tools and libraries. Get feedback on your data analysis skills from others. 2. Programming. Programming is essential for data scientists as it allows them to clean, analyze, and visualize data. Popular programming languages for data science include Python and R. Try Python and R are both popular programming languages for data science. You should go over these topics such as data structures, algorithms, and object-oriented programming are essential topics for programming. I'd like to offer you some advice. Start by learning the basics of Python or R, and then move on to more advanced topics such as data science libraries and machine learning algorithms. Practice writing code to clean, analyze, and visualize data. Get feedback on your programming skills from others. 3. Data visualization. Data visualization is the process of communicating data in a visually appealing and informative way. I use data visualization to communicate my findings to both technical and non-technical audiences. Try popular tools for data visualization include Tableau, Power BI, and Matplotlib. You should go over these topics such data visualization principles, chart types, and color theory are essential topics for data visualization. I'm giving you some advice. Practice creating data visualizations using different tools and libraries. Get feedback on your data visualizations from others. 4. Machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. I use machine learning to build models that can predict future outcomes or make decisions. Try popular tools for machine learning include TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. You should go over these points such as linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees are essential topics for machine learning. I'm going to give you some advice. Start by learning the basics of machine learning, such as linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees. Practice building machine learning models using different tools and libraries. Get feedback on your machine learning skills from others. 5. Communication. You need to be able to communicate my findings to both technical and non-technical audiences. This includes being able to write clear and concise reports as well as giving presentations. You can use tools like Google Docs, Slides, and PowerPoint to create reports and presentations. You should cover important topics such as technical writing, presentation skills, and storytelling are essential topics for communication. I'm giving you some advice. Practice writing and giving presentations about data science topics to my friends, family, or colleagues. Get feedback on my communication skills from others. Thank you for watching this video about the top 5 data science skills you need in 2023. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about data science, AI, and other interesting topics. I hope this helps.